morning. So started early today, 5 o'clock. I was up and get out the door in 20 minutes or so. We're got a round trip of about 7 hours of driving through the countryside, picking up parts for the 81 Chev truck. Parts are hard to come by, and I live in the middle of nowhere, so I got to drive to get some stuff. So I got picking up a cross member one guy, a fender from another guy, going to look at a chassis from another guy. Hopefully I got a lead on another parts truck, so we're going to look at that today, hopefully on the way through, but I'll give you an update as I go along. So I've driven 2 hours so far, and I stopped and looked at a 75 Chev truck. This thing is beat, old farm truck. The roof is smashed in, the box is smashed in and stuff, but the front cross member doesn't look too bad. I got a couple photos of that. I'll post those up in a bit so you can see those. So made a deal with the guy for 75 bucks, so I'm gonna come back next week and I get that. Right now I'm in Augusta, where I just picked up a cross member, the transmission cross member. This thing is like brand new. Look at this, it's like the paint's on it. You would think it come off a brand new truck almost. Unfortunately, the rest of the chassis is nowhere to be found. The guy I bought it from said he doesn't have the chassis, that's gone. So anyways, we're gonna keep moving. Next stop is picking up some fenders. So we're in Deseronto, where we're picking up a fender for 40 bucks. The dude just kind of left it in this backyard here for me to pick up. It's kind of nice. I think it'd be a good addition to the truck. All right, keep moving, off to the next one. So I'm Quinte West, just east of Sterling, Ontario. I picked up another fender. This one's a driver's passenger side. So that's good, it's in good shape. A little bit of rust around the bottom edge, but nothing we can't fix. A bloody trailer. Check out my light. These magnetic guys, they don't stick very well. It fell and banged up, so the one's okay. But anyways, so we're off to Madoc. I haven't been able to talk to the guy a few times, but I haven't been able to confirm for today, so hopefully he'll get back to me in the next 5 to 10 minutes or so. I got about 45 minutes before I get there, so hopefully before then he'll get a hold of me and then we get some more bits and pieces to pick up there. So I've run into some trailer problems. I could hear the wheel bearing starting to make some noise, so I stopped and pulled over. It was getting a little hot, and I thought I'd drive slow along the side of the road. And then you can see here, you can see my track all the way up from where I stopped. It seized once I stopped. Yeah, the wheel bearing is messed up. So I got to unload the fender and try and jam it into my little Corolla and leave the trailer here and figure out a way to come back with another wheel bearing or something and fix it up. But yeah, so my day will be toast trying to get this trailer back home somehow. Anyways, fun. Hey, sorry I didn't get an update while I was doing the bearing, but the bearing's right there. It was seized right to the shaft, and my $4 hammer from the dollar store and the $4 screwdriver from the dollar store, I was able to chisel and I got it loose, the inner bearing. Dumbass me, I didn't buy grease when I bought the bearing. Somebody called and I totally forgot, but I was able to scrape some grease from out from inside the hub, and there's a bit of this hand cream in my mother's glove box. It's my mother's old car, and I put that on the shaft to try and lubricate that as well too. So hopefully this will work. There it is all together in pieces. So we're gonna hit the road in a second, and fingers crossed, hope this works.